The KeyCreator Machinist option provides 2 and 3 axis cam solutions ideal for mold, tooling, and other general machining operations. KeyCreator's material properties can be used to colorize faces to help define machining strategies. Tools called prune and graft can be used to add key features at any time, without the complications to history typically associated with parametric modelers. Pruned features can be saved as solid bodies and used to define electrodes for part configurations. The part can be configured to each stage of the machining process, simplifying toolpath definition and generation. Generating a toolpath is a simple process based on tool definition, set of parameters, and geometry to be machined. Once the parameters have been defined, a toolpath can be easily created. KeyCreator makes it easy to modify parameters and quickly generate alternate toolpaths. Direct 3D CAD tools allow you to modify the part at any time. Modifications to the toolpath are easily handled with automatic toolpath regeneration. Pruned features can be moved, exposing areas for various machining operations. Pruned features can also be used to simplify electrode design and manufacture. Take advantage of the intuitive approach of KeyCreator's direct 3D modeling to generate a complete and efficient machining strategy. Post-processing is simple using the toolpath organizer. You'll find an extensive library of post-processors that can easily be customized to suit your needs. KeyCreator can help keep your shop running with precision and efficiency. Learn more on our website,